have the Anantara just behind. So we have quite a lot of retail surrounding.
But Nice now very good. You have a lot of business traveler as well.
Yes, yes. Nice is amazing, especially in summer. It's very, it attracts millions of tourists. Oh, we'll stop by here first.
When you have last time refurbishment? Refurbishment last time.
Last time, so it's soft renovations. It's not whole renovations. It's all the time. At the moment, the major renovation planned is in June. We're doing the terrace, redoing the whole terrace with new furniture. And then it's like soft renovations. Service. Service. So this room is a Deluxe King room. Deluxe King are bigger than the standard rooms. They're 45 square meters. Whereas your room, the sea view, is 35 square meters. This room So yeah, I think you can see that the furniture is slightly different than your room. The terrace is bigger. You have this full sea view.
Full sea view.
Did you enjoy the Hyatt Martinez?
Yeah, okay, full
Yes.
fine.
So every room has its own separate toilet to the bathroom.